Google Forms is a web-based form tool that allows you to collect surveys, conduct quizzes, and collect out different informations as you need. So to access Google Forms, all you need to have is a Google account. And over here, you can see I'm in google.com and I am signed in with my Google account right here. So you can go around over here on to Google Apps section right here. And from over here, you can see that you can scroll down and then we can access out forms from over here. You can click over here, or on your address bar, you can type in forms.google.com just like this and press enter. And what happens is that you get to the Google Forms homepage, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and zoom out to 100% for this, and this is how you would see your form. So another way to access Google Form is by accessing your Google Drive. So I'm going to go around onto the new tab right here, and I'm going to type in drive.google.com to access my Google Drive. And from over here as well, when you press new, you will be able to see Google Forms, as you can see right here. Once you click on this, then you will have access to a new form just like this, and you can start creating your form. And that is how you can access Google Forms and to start working with it. So in this tutorial series, we're going to see what we can do with Google Forms and what kind of information we can collect and how we can visualize out the data so that we can see the responses as we work. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.